ProPortion handheld dispensers arrive with the white half-ounce portion tab installed, but there are 6 different portion tabs to choose from. To change the tab, pull it out to spring the handle open. Press the rod release to slide the rod down. Remove the seal and piston to reach the spring cover. Grasp the small spring cover handle and wiggle gently to assist in pulling it off. Holding the center of the spring in place, pull the end of the spring away from the notch in the portion tab peg and remove the portion tab. Insert the desired portion tab by placing the circular peg through the oval hole. Secure the end of the spring into the notch in the tab. Reinstall the spring cover by lining up the notch in the hole and press it into place. For more information, visit ProPortionDispenser.com.